We're going to say goodbye now.
I wanna sleep. I wanna sleep.
You might know my new co-pilot from such adventures as going to the Nord Cup in a Porsche 924. Okay, we are pre 8 a.m. It's 10 to 8 and it's quiet. It hasn't been this quiet in 2 weeks. And I think Jonas is up there collecting oranges for juice, I think. And yet again, we're not that lucky with the weather. We haven't had a spectacular sunrise, I think, at all. Maybe one, but debatable. And we need to reset, and then we're heading up to Porto today. This is very real, because I did the route planning yesterday.
So we were coming up on day 23 of this trip, and the crew was once again down to 2. It was time for some proper distance again. After all, it's only been 5,000 kilometers so far, and we're a long way away from Germany. So Jonas hadn't seen a lot of Portugal at this point, and I didn't want to miss the chance to show him one of the most impressive beaches in the world without the waves that you actually come for. So obviously we had to go to Nazare and only had lunch and enjoyed the sun because, yeah, no waves.
Oh, fix. Der ist eben schon gerutscht. Oh, hat sich gut angefühlt.
So what you actually want to do is see the city of Porto, because apparently it's beautiful. We don't know because we haven't been. Instead, we put our faith in a newfound friend from the interwebs and, started to figure out why limited slip differentials are a thing.
Also, wenn jetzt hier jemand entgegenkommt. Okay. Dann wird er. Wow. Das wäre es jetzt gewesen. Aber man riecht Eukalyptus, ganz dezent. Alter!
Okay.
Die Frage ist jetzt nur, ist das der einfache Weg?
Quite frankly, well worth it. Maybe next time, Porto.
As you've seen, I've exchanged co-pilots once again because of logistics. And I mean, if you don't know who he is, he's the man who doesn't fear the cold. And he's also the man who likes plants. So what he's been doing this trip, and we've been traveling for less than 24 hours at this point, is collecting every single damn plant he can find and carrying it around. What you gonna do? Oh, he's looking at plants again. Man! By the way, it was said to us that this can be a 4x4 trail. Not for us. No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh! Heavy. We should have never bought trash bags, that was the problem. Now he feels encouraged. It's like, God damn it!
After the sunrise was once again turning into a mixed bag of clouds, we made our way down through the maze of forestry roads and actually had some trouble keeping up with delivery vans, despite me pushing it. We also finally got an opportunity to clean the car. And after that, we just wanted to cross the border into Spain. But you know, road trips have their surprises.